In this video, I will walk you through on how to create your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you stick to the end of the video to understand the full process step by step. If this kind of content you are looking forward to, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. After you download your MetaMask on your phone, you press get started and you want to come to create a new wallet. And you want to use this data to learn and press OK and press agree. So you need to accept again and scroll up and accept. So there's option for you to create a password. So I will just, for the sake of this video, I'll create a simple password. Don't share your information with anyone. I will not be using this account. I'm just making a video for you guys. Now I understand. So once you do that, you need to press create account. It said it. So I want to add I will show this. I want to add 78 and 78. So I want to create. It's creating my account right here. So right here, I will press start now. So you want to press start again and you want to input your password. Make sure you don't share your password with anyone. And right here, this is a secret recover phrase which you don't need to share with anyone. For this purpose of this video, I'm going to share this with you, but remember, I'm not using this account. Note, don't share your secret phrase with anyone. So what you want to do right now is write this down, because this is very important. If you lose access to your phone, these are the words you need to write in a paper and keep it in a secret place. That's the code you will use in recovering your account. So subscribe to my channel to know how to recover your account on my next video. So you want to go ahead and press continue, and one thing you want to do is to rearrange. You have written the secret phrase down. Right now you want to enter it again, so they can confirm that you really took this serious, and you just need to enter all this. After all this information, you see successful, you cannot say complete backup. You see congrats. Now you have successfully created a new MetaMask on your mobile phone. So you want to press done, and you can press no thanks. So now you have a function MetaMask account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like the video. Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video.